Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're all excited for a little bit of a tights unboxing and a review. And of course you already know from the title the brand that I'm going to be reviewing, and that is CDR, CECILIA De Rafael. And I have already reviewed at least I think a couple of products here on YouTube. I'm pretty sure I have potentially reviewed Vidrios in a different colour, the Merino colour, either as a stocking or tights. I'm not sure. I'll have to look. That's really bad of me, isn't it, not to remember, but you know, lots of things to remember. But yes, I am going to be reviewing the CECILIA De Rafael, the Vidrio Gloss tights, and here they are. Ding! I have them in a size extra large and they are in the colour Merino, which is what they say on the packet, not to be confused with Moreno, which is a completely different shade. So I had a little look on the Tight Spot, which is where I got these from, and I do remember at the time buying a little collection of some black and some barely black. So I thought, well, I better check that with the shade names on the Tight Spot. And the Tight Spot shade names are different, certainly for the black and the barely black. On the website it's listed as black and fume, but here it's not either of those. So I'm not sure yet. Obviously probably when I get the packet open I'll know straight away. I think they're probably black, but I'm not entirely sure. So they'll either be black or barely black, but we'll check that out. Anyway, these are listing retail price on the Tight Spot for £7.95, which is a reasonable pair of I guess sort of mid-range, but a well-known hosiery brand all the same. These are, let's have a look, they're 15 denier. It says they're a high shine finish, sheer to waist with a cotton gusset, which is great. You all know that I love a sheer to waist. So let's have a little look. CECILIA De Rafael for me is always a miss with the packaging. I really dislike the packaging. I don't like this either. This is the main thing that I don't particularly like. But it's very busy. It's full of tights that aren't the same colour as the product. Yeah, it's all a bit awkward for me personally. I'm not a fan. And the back is just very standard. The back is kind of fine, I guess. Got all the details there that you need, but I'm not a massive fan overall of the packaging. But let's take a look and see what it says on the back here. It says sheer glossy tights with an oily skin effect, 15 denier. You can hand wash these only. They're 88% nylon polyamide and 12% elastane, so they've got a reasonable amount of stretch to them. I can find that CDR often runs a bit small. They actually go up to an extra large, up to somebody who's 6'3" and 220 pounds. So in theory, they're very, very inclusive. But I think that really depends on your body shape and frame within those sort of barriers. So let's have a little look. Reinforced toe. This particular size probably will not have a cotton gusset. Sizes 1 through to 4 have a cotton gusset, and sizes 5 have a sort of like a panel on the back. Don't really know why, but that always seems to be the thing. But let's get them open. Let's have a look. Let's find out if these are, I think these are going to be black rather than barely black. But yeah, standard packaging as always. And these look like they are wrapped. Oh, actually, I don't know. These are wrapped with, yeah, an advertisement card, which shows you some different products there. A little bit of upselling, which not every brand does. These look more navy. Okay, and now I'm confused. Yeah, these look... Waistband is giving me navy, which I guess would make sense in terms of the shade not existing. But anyway, let me just do what I usually do. Shake them out a little. Yeah, these are definitely navy, which is great actually. I haven't got a lot of navy nylons. So yeah, let's go for it, shall we? So waistband, nice standard waistband. You can see already that we have this double sort of panel at the back. I don't particularly know why they do that. It's giving you've got a wider butt because you're a larger size, so you need a bigger reinforcement rather than just a one seam, which is a little bit presumptuous, I have to say. I don't feel like I ever need a really heavily reinforced butt part to my hosiery, but apparently I do. That's what I'm being told. So as you can see, there's that sort of wider reinforcement on the back, and then on the front it's just the single seam. In terms of the seam itself though, the seam is super flat, which is great. Really well sewn. Nicely done there. And let's see. Yes, so it doesn't have a cotton gusset like it said. Let's have a quick look inside and see what we've got going on. It's kind of just this join. Yeah, there's no reinforcement. It's just where the two seams at the back join with the front one, basically. So yeah, there isn't any gusset there. See, this is also odd to me, because why would only a certain size of person need a cotton gusset and not another? That doesn't really make much sense. If you're going to put a cotton gusset in, surely everybody needs that. There's no difference in anything. But yeah, anyway, we are moving on down to the tights themselves, or the leg part. As you can see, shaped. Ding. Not massively, but just enough to possibly make a difference, make it a little bit more fitted around the ankle and a bit more room in the calf. But yeah, they are shaped. And it said we have a reinforced toe along with a little bit of gloss. So let's check that out down here. Yes, as you can see, we do have a very obvious line and then a little part of reinforcement there. I actually really like that. Sometimes I like a really subtle reinforcement, and sometimes I actually really like something that's sort of specific. So yeah, I like those. I think I really like this sort of really fine singular line. I think that's quite nice actually. I still feel like these are navy for sure. But yeah, they've got a nice bit of a gloss to them, but they're always more glossy when you sort of put them on. So I think, so that I, have my definitive answer as to whether these are black or navy, I'm sure they're navy, I'm going to go ahead and put them on. We're going to have a little look, see how they fit, see what the sizing is like, more importantly with CDRs, and see what the quality's like for the price. So let's go for it. As you can see, I have the nylons on, and they are indeed navy and not black. I did actually do a little Google Translate on the colour name, and it does in fact in Spanish mean navy. So unfortunately, I cannot, I'm not going to be able to link you specifically to the navy pair of the CDR Vidrio because they don't appear to be available on the Tight Spot at the moment. But of course I will link you to the Vidrio product in general. So if you do like the look of it and you want to have a look at other shades, then in the description box below. So they were okay to get on, they were a little bit difficult. I find, again, I'm so confused sometimes by sizing, because I know that I don't, in normal sort of clothing, I don't wear an extra large. I'm not an extra large. 5'7" and on average 10, 12 with things generally. That doesn't equate to an extra large, unless that equates to an extra large in a lot of other countries other than the UK, then that's fine. But these don't feel like an extra large, they feel smaller. So again, smaller running with CDRs. In terms of the colour, I really like the colour. And I also really like the feet. So I'm going to show you the feet first, and then I'm going to kind of show you everything else. So the feet, I think, look great. I mentioned that I really liked that fine detail on the reinforcement, this line here, and I do really, really like that. I think you can sort of see a difference in texture round here, but I think it's a really nice way to define something to be reinforced without having this sort of bulk of a completely sort of different colour. So I really, really like that. I think that's really elegant, just having that really super fine, almost like liner pen look. But overall, I think they look lovely on the feet. They actually look quite velvety on the feet. They're a lovely colour and a lovely sort of denier on the feet, with them being the 15. So that's the feet, really, really nice, really elegant. And then the legs is where it starts to actually get disappointing. So for me anyway, when I put tights on, I always look straight away at this portion of my leg from like knee down, because there's not a lot of stretch needed here. I have quite thin ankles and quite small calves, so there's not a lot of stretch going on in the particular sizes that I have. So there shouldn't, in theory, be any rips, pulls, etc. However, as soon as I put these on, I noticed that they've got some imperfections. These were the first ones I noticed, these little sort of like fabric pulls. There's no holes or anything in them, but yeah, it's like a fabric pull. There's one here also. And then this one was incredibly obvious. And then this now has a small kind of hole here where the weave of the fabric's pulled apart. And then making up to the knee here, we have the same thing. You can see that it's not necessarily a hole. You can see that it's just where the weave is coming apart and it's created this kind of pull. So almost like it creates this, like a little self ladder. And I think that is the same one here. Yes, I was just checking actually because I hadn't looked. There's a big defect here, really, really obvious. A very long, thin defect closer here. So just going all the way along here. And then coming down to the ankle, there's also a little defect here. So in the grand scheme of things, it's not always, you know, it depends how perfect you want your nylons to be. And you know me, I am a bit of a perfectionist, but I do think that if you get something out of a packet and put it on very gently for the first time, there shouldn't be the size of these nicks forming all up the thinnest part of my leg in a generous size. So I'm gonna sort of stand up and show you them sort of in general. Now, when we go up to my thigh, there's less, no there isn't actually. Weirdly, all down the side of the leg is fine, and then we come sort of more into the inside of the leg, then I've got more pulls as well. And then on this side, you can actually see some more holes again. This one is particularly sort of the worst one, and there's a little one up here. There's also a little bit of banding on these as well. I'm not sure how well that picks up on camera, but there's sort of like these lines of sort of darker areas, and a little bit here actually on the lower part of the leg. So overall, in terms of quality, I'm not massively impressed. I'm going to have to be honest. They're a lovely colour, don't get me wrong. Really, really like the colour. I think that's really, really nice. But yeah, I'm not massively impressed. I think in terms of the size, let me see. There's very, very little give here for an extra large, considering that it's already pulled. So if there's much stretch on here, I think more of the fabric's going to pull. Yeah, and what I will say, I don't know whether again it's showing up on camera. I mean, it's not the brightest day currently, but there's absolutely no shine on these that I can tell. I can tell a little bit around the feet, it's got like a velvety look, but I don't think there seems to be much of a shine to them. And it does say on them that they are glossy tights, and I'm not really getting a gloss. I'm getting gloss here, visually looking down, but I'm not getting gloss anywhere else particularly. So I am disappointed, I have to say. I love the colour, and that kind of frustrates me a little bit more because I think they're a really lovely colour and I would want to have them to last, but I don't think these are going to last very well, to be honest. So it's a real shame. They feel lovely and soft, and in general the material feels nice, but I just don't think they're the best quality that they can be. Personally, there's a lot of defects to them. I'm going to give them about a 6 out of 10. I know that's fairly low, but to me, if you are a name in hosiery, which CECILIA De Rafael is, then you should actually be striving for better quality. Just because you're a name, people shouldn't say that something is good if it isn't as good as it should be. So I'm going to give them a 6. I love the colour, but I'm just really, really disappointed with the quality. And again, the sizing, because I think they run small. But let me know what you think of these in the comments below. And also let me know what your genuine experience with CDR is, if you have had any experience at all. What do you think? What do you think of the quality, durability, that kind of thing? But yeah, if you do want to take a look at these, obviously there can be variations in shade with dye and how that can affect things, and obviously just manufacturing in general can vary between packs and things like that. If you do want to check them out, I will leave the link obviously to the product in the description, along with my 10% discount code, so you can at least get a little bit of money off as well. But that is going to be it from me, and I will see you all very soon for another review. Bye.